These are some of the students from San Pedro. They'd like to say thank you to their sponsors.
Thank you.
Here are their names.
My name is Christy. My name is Aaron. My name is Benny. My name is Vidal. My name is Leo.
Here's a song that they've been practicing for you, then they're going to sing it for you now.